Yo, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nigel Vegas. I'm a music video director. I'm video poita and ek te damode thinka marks at the end of the video. Today we are watching Jay Ferrau's new video, Nathun Saruya. I'm very excited because this guy is very creative. Like the concepts were asta sadant story asta video. So let's begin the video, yeah? Sunday 6:30. So all tired on Paul as home nature. This song reminds me of that song by Drake and Justin Bieber, and Popstar. Yeah, like I'll put a video on now. Just check it out.
Bitches, we the best music. Another one, yeah.
But yeah, I think it's gonna like similar concept ko astalo dista maka. Jay Ferrao, comment down below. Let me know. Thank you. Jay Ferrao. Ooh. Smoke machine binarla. Okay, I really like that they created an environment like garan bitor ke lai sogole, so like sarke like te shining glitter ache bin galon kitam date kare background galon sarke like ek environment create kela teni, so video maso natural ko distaning boresta popak view ani interested आता नाला बेस्ट समज काय डेकोरेशन को नासना केलेल्या सारखे शिट दिसपो स्मोक मिशन हाडला like good job Jay Ferrao. About the filter use केला पे तेरे वैल्यन गलपाक this makes the video look more interesting like वो तो कुंचा का तो दिसे पड़ा तुमका yeah good job music video editor. This beat is really nice, like you can vibe to it. Like गाड़ी भी चलता ना कांता रंग अल्पक बरे को हैं सर के change of Hindi है that's it. Good job, Jay Ferrao. It's a very nice song. Hindi Konkani mix केला. English na. But yeah, it's a very nice song. Good job on that. मस्त एक थिंग करून आता like at the end तो बेश्टो जे फेराव उठ्ठा को दाखोवपा आ song जाय आहलें and then they should say like oh let's do this again. तुका कोमता like उठोवन दाखोवपा जाय आहलें oh let's do this again. So yeah, but that's the only thing that I go. It's a good video. Like video kind complaints na maka, and the song is nice as well. So I would give it like story aning mashi develop zapadali, but then you can't make anything else out of this story. Kita like ani kind of so I would give it a 9 out of 10. It's a good video, so good job. Tu kan ek video popa ज़्यादा inga ek galta हूँ, click मारनी पोई. And until then, next time मैं हो यामी.